Hello, I'm Alison. I'm an occupational therapist. This is the Focus for Fidgets pack. It contains a set of 3 small books called Small Change, Big Difference on 3 specific behavioural difficulties, being hyperactive, inattentive and disorganised. It also contains an air cushion for sitting, allowing movement and fidgeting whilst not getting out of your seat, and 2 fidget toys to be held in your hands. It's a really good basic kit that you might want to use at home or while you're waiting, perhaps when you're going out somewhere socially. It's a good thing to take with you to a restaurant or perhaps a waiting room.